So as you can see from looking behind me, we're back in Tokyo again as the first cruise ends and the second one starts. And since we're staying on the ship for the second cruise, I figured I'd answer a couple of questions that have popped up since I already kind of showed you what was going on in Tokyo the first time that we were here. So one question is about the stateroom, which I will show you in a moment. And the other question came from somebody asking about how do you edit and then feed all the videos that you're doing from the ship, and how do they end up looking as good as they do? Well, it doesn't have a lot to do with me, but more about the program, so I'll show you that as well. So we are on the Silversea Muse, which is considered to be a small ship, only 600 passengers. And all the staterooms here are exterior. There's no interior staterooms here. And most are larger than many of the other ships that we've been in. So it's a pretty good sized stateroom, actually. There's a good sized sitting area with a couch and a chair, a couple of television sets behind the mirrors here, one in the bedroom and one in the sitting area. Large bathroom with shower, also a tub, and all staterooms also have really good sized balconies that we have been using when it's warm enough. So now on to how to get these videos together in the first place. Well, it starts with taking pictures, that's on my iPhone, and then all the magic is done right here on an iPad Pro. Once on the iPad, I use the editing program Premiere Rush, which is made by Adobe, and it's made specifically for iPads and iPhones. So here, each one of the different towns that we've visited is highlighted in separate videos that I've edited. And you get inside each one of these. For example, here's Hakodate, Hokkaido. And this is the way the timeline looks. I'll expand it for you. This is where I arrange the different videos and sounds and audio and titles and subtitles that appear here. So for example, here's a subtitle that I put in over the picture. That's our tour guide there. Here's the video line right here. So that's just all the videos that I've edited. And you can just move them around pretty easily. And then here's the sound down here. Oops, get my finger on there. And that will dictate what sound is on there. So it's actually pretty easy. And then over on the right side, it gives you all sorts of different options. So that's the T is for titles, and you can put subtitles there. This is for transitions, like if you want to, I'll put it there so you can do like a dissolves or fades or wipes and all that type of thing between different scenes. This is for slow motion or fast motion if you want to do that. And this is for audio. So that's all pretty basic. You can mute it or you can make it louder or softer. And then this also is kind of cool. It allows you to change kind of the way that the picture looks on the screen. When it comes to the audio portion of what you hear, I've been using a pair of small wireless microphones that I picked up on Amazon. They actually work really well. And as for the video, once it's edited, which can take about 2 to 4 hours usually, I save the final product and then try to feed it. In other words, try to post it to YouTube. But the internet is always a challenge, particularly on the ship, because it's absolutely terrible. So I can't send anything when we're at sea on the ship. But during our time in Japan, when we're close to shore, I have what's called a pocket Wi-Fi, which operates off the cellular phone system in Japan. So I can usually feed from that. Or the best point is really when we're in port somewhere, because almost every single cruise terminal here in Japan has outstanding internet. It's like fiber internet that is even faster than what we have at home. So that's the best place. As compared to feeding on the ship, which can take an hour or more, I can usually feed the videos in about 15 seconds. So there you have it. That's what our stateroom looks like. And that's how I get all the editing and the posting done for the videos that I've done along the trip. And there are more to come, because as we take off from Tokyo later on this afternoon, we'll be posting along the trip all the way back to Alaska. See ya.